One-day cardiac screening in China after waiting months for heart imaging appointments in the UK. I'm Emma, a medical concierge in Chengdu, China. Last week, I helped a patient from Manchester come here for a full cardiac screening after struggling with long wait times and expensive private consultations back in the UK. 7:35 a.m. He landed in Chengdu. I picked him up directly from the airport and brought him to the hospital's International Cardiac Center. During the drive, he told me he'd already waited months trying to arrange advanced heart imaging in the UK, and private appointments were becoming increasingly expensive. 8:20 a.m. Registration and intake started. I helped translate his previous medical history and symptoms while the nurses prepared his cardiac screening schedule for the morning. 9 a.m. Examinations began. ECG testing, echocardiogram, blood work, and cardiac imaging were all coordinated floor by floor with very little waiting between departments. 10:10 a.m. Cardiac CT scan. He told me this was the exam he'd been struggling to schedule back home. The imaging center completed everything surprisingly fast and smoothly. 11:15 a.m. Cardiologist consultation. The specialist reviewed his preliminary findings carefully and explained the results and next step recommendations clearly while I translated the entire discussion. 11:50 a.m. Recovery lounge and report coordination. I helped organize his digital reports, imaging files, transportation, and follow-up scheduling before we left the hospital. By lunchtime, his ECG, echocardiogram, cardiac CT, blood tests, and specialist consultation were already completed. He kept saying the biggest surprise wasn't only the speed, it was how organized and stress-free the entire process felt compared to trying to coordinate cardiac screening back in the UK. Here in Chengdu, advanced heart screening finally felt accessible, efficient, and straightforward. Day with Emma, medical concierge.